Hi everyone, it's now Sunday and I actually spent the whole day yesterday making this box for my little 3D printed character. I don't think I showed you either that we finished this, so my boyfriend printed it and painted it as well. So yeah, this is the final outcome. And then they needed a little box. So yeah, I made it all in Adobe Illustrator. I really enjoyed the process. And I think I kind of had a few breakthroughs in how to design things. And had a lot of fun just putting these different shapes on there. And I made a whole pattern with my logo in the background. But my printer is I think it's a bit too basic still, so I'm hoping to get a new one soon. So yeah, I didn't quite print all of the details and it didn't get all the contrasts, so you can't really see the pattern. But yeah, I'm happy with the design. I think maybe it could have been a bit bigger overall, the box. Yeah, so I did all that yesterday, and then today I actually want to make a little guidebook that will go in this back section. This is one that you get with the Sylvanian Family's blind bags, and then it'll have a guide that you can tick off, and then it just fits inside the box. And maybe a card as well. I just got this one because it's kind of the same size. So you'd have a little collector's card and a guidebook, and they just go together and slot in the back of the box. So yeah, I'm going to make a new document in Illustrator now and put together those two things. And then I think that will be everything for the visual outcomes. And then I will just need to write my report and make the presentation. So yeah, let's do that now. It is now Sunday evening and I managed to make the little guidebook and the collector's card that will go inside my little box with the figurine here. So yeah, I'm really tired now. It's been a really long week, but I managed to achieve a lot more than I thought I could in a week. Yeah, it's definitely not perfect, and once my degree is finished I'm going to be revisiting this, and like all of these I would want them to be actual images, like here in Sylvanian Families, rather than just these sketches. But yeah, this is just what I was able to get together for now. Yeah, I made a little pattern out of the character on the back, and then I put a little affirmation here and a little holographic lamination, which I really love. And yeah, and then they just fold up like that and go in the back here. And then that's the package complete. One thing I haven't figured out, and I might just not mention it for now, but I will fix it before I put these up for sale, is that I don't know how to get it to stay in the box without moving around. So I need to figure something out there, so otherwise it just moves like that. But yeah, for now I will call that done. Yeah. So next week I will be finishing my essay, and then the week after that I need to make the presentation. But this is the visual outcome, all finished. So yeah, I'm super happy, but super tired. And thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!